Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Okay guys, I've gotten so many requests on this BTS Permission to Dance, so we're gonna cover it in this dance tutorial. Okay, let's just dive right into it. I'm just gonna show you what the first mini section looks like, and then we're gonna break it down. Okay, so this is mini section 1. Na, 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 na. We're gonna stop it there. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now let me break it down. So the first thing you want to do, this part here, I'm just gonna show you from the side. It's gonna be easy to see here. My right is up on my toes, and then I want to tap down with my heel. Alright, now I want to show it to the front again. You can almost see that I'm shifting my weight here, right? So it goes from here, boom. So every time I tap, when I move my weight to this side, boom, boom, right? So you just want to do 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. Now at the same time, your arms are gonna go woo down here, kind of in the middle, and then up. So you want to go tap, boom, boom. Okay, let's just do the next thing as well, and then we're gonna practice afterwards. All right. So right after we do 1, 2, 3 here, what you want to do is kind of shifting your weight here. So weight on my right because I want to jump up on my right. Yeah, and this happens in a millisecond, but I'm just gonna show you. All right, and then you want to switch, boom, and then one more time, boom. So you want to jump 3 times. The first time is gonna be with your right coming up, all right? And then switch, switch, okay? So let me just show you again from the tip to top. Boom, 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 switch weight, jump, 2, 3. Yeah, my arms are just here. So boom, 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 boom. Let's just try and practice that. We're gonna go a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap, 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 switch, right, left, right. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go tap, tap, up, and jump, jump, jump. Okay, practice on your own if you need to. I think we're gonna do it slow, and then at the end we're gonna speed it a bit up. All right. Let me show you the next mini section 2, how it looks. All right. So right after we go whoom, whoom, whoom. From here we want to do this, what I think is the most difficult move in this dance. So whoom, A, whoom, A. Now let me try and break down this dance move, okay? So the reason why I think it's difficult is because it's a bouncy, groovy move, right? So, I mean, anyone can do this stiff version, right? But it takes a bit extra to do this bouncy thing. All right, so let me just show you the upper body, which I think is probably the most important to making it look bouncy. All right, so from the side you want to do this, yeah, a. So it's like down up, but kind of also crunching your back and then opening up like that. A. Let me just show it to the front here. Boom, a. All right, now at the same time your legs are gonna be doing, now we have this right leg up here. You wanna jump down, boom, bring your left over, and then say up. And then you wanna do it to the opposite side. You wanna jump over on your left, bring your right here, up, okay? So let me just repeat the legs here. Jump right, left, up, and then left side, boom, boom, up. Just gonna show you again. From here, boom, up, and boom, up. And it's important that you have that extra jump in between. So let me show you one more time. It's important. Boom, up, and now you're gonna do one more jump. Boom, up. Okay. So it's boom, up, and a boom, up. This is trying to practice the legs. All right. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go boom, up, and a boom, up. Let's try that. We're gonna go slow. 5. If you need to keep your balance, stand near a wall or something like that, or hold onto some chairs, whatever. All right, we're gonna start 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to say jump and up and a jump and up. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump and a up and a jump and a up. One more time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Jump and a up, jump and a up. Feel free to practice on your own a bit slower if you need to, alright? Now let's try and combine both upper body here and the legs. So what you want to do is, we just did jump here. We want to go boom, hey. Yes, it's as if you're pulling your legs up. Yeah, there's a strings attached here, and then you go pull up, and then we do the same boom, hey. So let's just try that. We're gonna go boom, hey, and now boom, hey. Let's try that. 5, 6, from here, 7, 8. We go boom, hey. Boom, hey. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, hey, boom, hey. Now BTS is actually tapping this front leg all the way down, but I think it's easier to keep it up. Yeah. All right, let's quickly do mini section 3 before we do it all the way from the tip to top. All right. So mini section 3. Let me just show you. This was NF2. 3 goes boom, hey. Boom, ha, ha, boom, ha, ha, hey. So let me break down part 3. This was end of 2. From here, you want to swing this front leg, the right leg, around, back, down, before we say boom, all right, with your hip. Let me just show you from the side here. I think this way is actually better. So from the side, this was end of mini section 2. You want to swing that leg back, go a bit down the level, bend your knees before you say shoot up your hip, all right? Notice how I'm twisting my leg here to kind of help my hip shoot to the front. Boom, all right? So NF2, bring it back, boom. Notice how my arms are, right is up by my ear, I don't know, and the other one is by my hip, all right? So from here, back, down, boom. And then from here, you just want to take a step with your, basically just tapping with your left here, boom, tap. All right, so just did left tap, right tap. And I'm kind of leaning to the front, right? Just show from the side here. So I did, this was enough 2, boom, boom, tap, tap. Now, right after tap, tap, what you want to do, let me just show you the arms. The arms go right, and left, right, left. So it's like do my nails to the other side. All right, so boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, ba. Just try that with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, ba, ba, and a boom, ba, ba. Now the legs are doing boom, ba, ba, and a boom, ba, ba. Pretty easy, right? So it's left and sorry, it's right and left, and it's left and right. Now the trick is to do it on the first and the last, right? And then the other side, first and last, right? Try with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom and boom and boom and boom. Okay, so right after that is just boom. All right. Now the way you do that is you wanna bring your weight on your right before you say jump, on your left, and sweep your right out to the side. All right, and your right arm is just gonna go Hi-ya, ninja. All right, so you wanna go and boom, hey, and this goes super fast, so it's boom, boom. All right. Okay, so let me just recap mini section 3 here. So this was end of 2. On 3, you wanna go back, hip, and then tap, tap, and then arms, ha, ha, and arms, ha, ha, and then jump. All right, guys, let's practice. So this was end of 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, back, hip, tap, tap, arms and in, and a jump. Let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, back, hip, tap, front, arms and in, and I jump. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.